Press the Enroll button. Hold on the SOS button. Press the Enroll button again to exit. Press the Enroll button. Press the SOS button. Press the Enroll button again to exit. Hold on the SOS button to trigger the alarm. Siren is alerted. Press the SOS button. Siren is alerted. Press Enroll button on the Siren. Trigger function button once. Press Enroll button again to exit. Test the enrollment by triggering a SOS alarm. Press the Enroll button on the Siren. Trigger temper switch once.
Press the Enroll button again to exit.
Test the enrollment by triggering an alarm.